Alright, bright and early, 7 o'clock. Saturday morning. Got a new co-pilot. Rhett's taking the co-pilot seat today. Sister's in the back seat. We should be making it to...
I have no idea.
We're gonna make it. We're gonna make it as far as we can today.
We're not gonna make it to the border.
Hopefully, another day closer to Seattle. Tomorrow, we should be reaching Seattle by tomorrow afternoon, night, kinda. So hopefully, we can put in some good driving time, see some wildlife,
and finally eat some sushi,
and make up some time.
I've been waiting on the sunset, bills on my mindset, I can't deny it. Getting higher, higher than my income, income's breadcrumbs. I've been trying to survive. The glow that the sun gets right around sunset helps me to realize that this is just a journey. Drop your...
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, let's do this.
Dip that pancake right in there.
Oh. I put that shit on everything. Oh, that actually is pretty good.
It's pretty good?
It's pretty good. I'm going in for more. It's pretty tasty.
How was your meal?
My French toast was good.
Yeah?
They could use this for a commercial, you know? Thanks, Red Hot.
There's hats everywhere. Collection of hats. Rhett, maybe you can give that hat that's on your head.
No, not this one.
You can't give that hat. Why not?
No worries, you are gonna turn out fine. Oh, you turn out fine. Fine, oh, you turn out fine. But you gotta keep your head up. Oh.
So I'm here at Olympic Sculpture Park. Taking a little rest for the day on this bench that I've claimed. Feeling kind of like a homeless person.
And you can let your head down, hey. You gotta keep your head up, oh. And you can let your head down, hey. I know it's hard, to remember sometimes, but you gotta keep your head up, oh. And you can let your head down, hey, 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 hey. I got my hands in my pockets, kicking these rocks. It's kinda hard to watch this life go by. I'm buying into skeptics mess with the confidence in my eyes. I'm seeing all the angles, thoughts get tangled. I start to compromise.
A little bit, but literally right outside.
Rain is really
Redwood the first thing in the morning. Because I feel like Redwood
with the confidence in my eyes, I'm seeing all the angles, thoughts get tangled. I start to compromise my life and my purpose. Is it all worth it? Am I gonna turn out fine? Oh, you turn out fine. Fine, oh, you turn out fine. But you gotta keep your head up, oh. And you can let your head down, hey. You gotta keep your head up, oh. And you can let your head down, hey. I know it's hard, to remember sometimes, but you gotta keep your head up, oh. And you can let your head down, hey, hey, hey. Only rainbows after rain, the sun will.
So we're just in luck. I happened to stumble upon Elliott Bay, and today only, there are naturalists or nature people teaching me about the marine ecosystem. So here we go, about to learn about these little critters. Check it out. Apparently young salmon come here. Well, why we wait? Let's get our eyebrows waxed.
Always come again, and it's a circle.
All right, so we're done for the day. We are in
We have to try more.
Prince George, British Columbia.
Yeah.
British Columbia. We're at a Walmart for the night, so we
That's
stopped.
one bite, by the way.
Having some Alaskan wine,
Here we go.
very nice,
All right.
in some clear Solo cups. Having leftovers from lunch and sandwiches. Yummy,
Yummy.
yummy. This is how we live now. We're like gypsies, right?
We are gypsies.
Till tomorrow.
Circling around again, it comes around again. I say.